Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen spatial Android 8.0 Oreo system for Chevrolet S-10 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. You can choose time. You also can choose logo. You can choose Chevrolet. Okay, you also can change this button color, this display color. With any color you can choose it. Okay, you also can change this button color in settings, on settings. You can choose green, you can choose blue, orange, yellow. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Let me back to home. You can check. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay, let me check the setting. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, back to home. First, let me introduce internet. Okay, built-in Wi-Fi. Can check connect Wi-Fi. It supports Google Voice command. New York. It will search New York City automatically. Okay. London. Okay. Let me put our website, Belsee. Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, this is our website. Okay, let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Navigation. London. It will search London City automatically. This volume button. Okay, you can touch control. New York. It will search New York City automatically. Okay. Let me introduce music. There is two USB cable. This USB flash driver. When you connect USB, the head units will play music automatically. Okay, you can check head unit. This is dual screen. When you make listening music and run Google navigation at the same time with same screen, on same screen. Okay, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check this pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S-10. When you turn on the Bluetooth from your phone and click search button, you will get the Bluetooth click pair button. It will show get command, please put 40 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can make phone call. When you make phone call, all sounds will be stopped. When you hang up, it will do something. It play music again. Okay, play music again. Streaming music from your phone. The first time, please disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth. Okay. Okay, you can listen to music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Okay, let me play video from YouTube. You can check video disable the drive for safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car, driving setting, watch video, turn on the watch video, and play video from USB. You can check it supports 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, thank you.